In this video, I'm going to break down the best types of concrete sealers you can use for your DIY outdoor projects so you get that pro-level finish without any hassle. When you're working on sealing concrete outside, picking the right sealer is key because it protects your surface from water, stains, and weather damage. You've got acrylic sealers that are super easy to apply, dry quick, and give a nice gloss, perfect if you want a shiny look on patios or walkways. Then there are penetrating sealers which soak into the concrete and offer long-lasting protection without changing the look much. They're great if you want to keep things natural. Epoxy sealers are tougher and make the surface super durable, ideal for driveways or garage floors that take a beating. Polyurethane sealers also offer heavy-duty protection with a glossy finish, but can be a bit pricier and need more careful application. When applying any sealer, make sure the concrete is clean and dry. Dirt or moisture can mess up how well it sticks. Use a roller or sprayer for even coverage, and don't rush, let each coat dry fully before adding another. Finally, always check the weather forecast. Sealing on a dry day with moderate temperatures helps everything cure properly. One of the biggest slip-ups is sealing over dirty or damp concrete. This makes your sealer peel or bubble real quick, so clean that surface like your life depends on it. Another common mistake is using the wrong sealer for your project, like using an acrylic sealer on a driveway when you really need something tougher, like epoxy means you're going to need to redo it sooner than later. And lastly, people often don't apply enough coats or rush through drying times. This leaves the concrete vulnerable, so patience is key here to get that full protective layer working right. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't rip you off. If you're a contractor looking to find solid work, they've got you covered by connecting you with folks who actually need your skills and want quality results.